What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we are doing another Temu haul. This time around, I'm going to be testing a bunch of different items from different categories, and these were just very suspiciously cheap. So together, we're going to see whether they're worth the money and what the quality is actually like. This may also be the last video of 2023, so if I don't post on Sunday, I hope you guys are going to have an awesome New Year's Eve. We're just planning on having a really chill day, playing some board games with some friends, so I cannot wait. Anyways, if you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. I've definitely got a bunch of fun videos planned for the next year, so I hope you guys stick around. Alright guys, so the very first product we're going to be trying out from Temu is this one. Now, I don't know if I have high hopes for this or not. Obviously, it looks like a dupe for the Savagery dual perfume for men. My husband Matt does actually happen to have the original like perfume that this is supposed to be a dupe of, so I'm gonna basically put them side by side and see if they're similar. This perfume was £6, you guys, and I mean, it's looking pretty similar apart from the fact that it's called Savagery. I mean, talk about copying your friend's homework but then just changing it slightly to make it look like it's your own. Even the outer packaging looks pretty similar, obviously apart from the word, but like the font is very, very similar. Also, look at this dude. He's on the back of this box. I mean, Dior would never ever put a picture like this on the back of a box, I don't think. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up. This is what it looks like inside. Ooh, instantly I got a whiff of the perfume. Oh my gosh. The bottle is exactly the same. Are you seeing this? I don't have the original bottle to hand, but I'll do a cutaway clip to show you guys them side by side. But yeah, I mean, from memory, this is what the bottle of Savage looks like. As you can see, it's got that black to light blue gradient in the bottom of the bottle. Please excuse my nail polish. I've not done my nails. So the cap on the original Dior perfume is magnetic, I'm pretty sure. And this one just kind of like clicks on and off. So that's slightly different. Let's see what this actually smells like. Oh my god. That smells really similar to Savage. Dude, what the hell? It's got that same like fresh aftershave kind of smell with a hint of sweetness. And that's exactly what Savage smells like. I mean, I can tell that there's probably like a hint of something that's kind of off from the original, but all in all, it smells very similar. But yeah, I mean, first impressions, it's a pretty good dupe for the Savage. I mean, that is obviously quite a spenny sort of perfume, so if you can get something similar for £6, why not? I think the bottle looks really, really classy and definitely way more expensive than it was. I obviously don't know how long lasting this perfume is going to be on my wrists, but from the smell and the first sort of impression, I'm going to say this was worth the money. All right, now the next item we're going to be trying out from Temu is this. I have been seeing these socks literally go viral on places like TikTok, and now I finally was able to purchase a pair. I'm quite gutted that everything kind of came a little bit late because these would have been perfect for like a stocking filler for Christmas. But anyways, these were £3, and the reason why these are super cool is because they have little faces on the socks, and then they also have tiny little hands which have tiny little magnets inside. Basically, here are the socks. This is what they look like. They feel pretty nice quality actually, and then when you put them together, look at what happens. They're holding hands. How adorable is that? So I've got a pair for myself, and then I've also got a pair for Matt, but the problem is they didn't have different sizes, so these are absolutely tiny. I'm sorry, but this is not going to fit my husband. These are literally like a size 4 or 5, whereas he's a size 12. Just exactly how stretchy are these? Okay, I mean, they are quite stretchy, but I have a feeling if you're having to stretch it that much, it's probably not going to be very comfortable for like your toenails. Oh man, I really thought we were going to have a really cute husband and wife moment. We're going to be linking our little sock hands, but I have a feeling because of the size of these, I'm probably just going to have to wear these on my own and just link hands with myself. How sad is that? So quality wise, they do feel pretty soft and pretty comfortable. I like the fabric that they're made of, and the little hands are definitely working. They are magnetized, so I'm going to give these a big thumbs up. All All right, moving on to the next product. We're now going to be trying out this avocado slicer, which only cost 87p, and that's exactly what I mean by things being suspiciously cheap. All right, so here is what has arrived, and to be fair, it does look exactly like the photos. I was kind of expecting this, which is like the knife area, to be a little bit sharper. Let me show you, because I feel like this right now cannot really do much. As you can see, the entire thing is made of plastic, and I mean, sometimes avocados, especially when they're not like quite there, they can be quite tough to like get into. So I have a feeling this might actually break. It does come with a little protective cover though, so that's quite cool. The actual part I'm most interested in though is this part, because I eat avocado on toast all the time and I absolutely hate slicing it. So I feel like this would just make the perfect like slices of avocado, and it looked pretty good on the website, so why not give it a go? I guess all there's left to do is take this to the kitchen and actually practice on an avocado. All right guys, I'm now in my kitchen. We're about to test this tool out. So I have quite a ripe avocado, so I'm hoping this is actually gonna work. Okay, so the actual knife is cutting through the avocado, which I wasn't expecting because it's literally just a plastic knife. Wow, that worked pretty well. All right, so as you can see, the avocado I have is very overripe, but we're gonna just try this tool out anyway for the sake of the video. So I'm gonna hold the avocado upside down and I'm just gonna place this inside, and it's actually cutting it pretty well. It's a bit messy though, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. It definitely managed to get the slices quite thin, but I actually feel like I probably could have done a better job with just a knife and just doing it by hand. So, I don't know, maybe my avocado was too ripe, but I would say this tool is a little bit gimmicky. I don't know if I'm gonna use it again. All right, now moving on to the next item, we're gonna be trying out a fidget spinner. Now, as you can see, this is a golden snitch, like from Harry Potter, and it was only £2, so I decided to buy it. I feel like fidget spinners are particularly good for people with anxiety, especially when you're in public and you're just feeling a little bit anxious, you need a little bit of distraction. This is my first time actually trying a fidget spinner, I'm pretty sure. Here is what the fidget spinner looks like. It looks pretty cool. There's actually quite a lot of weight to it. It's made of real metal. As you can see, it's fairly easy to move it, but what you're actually supposed to do is hold it like this and then twist the wings. Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying. I actually love that. This is so cool. And then you can spin it the other way. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. It almost looks like it's spinning in slow motion on the camera, but it's spinning so fast in real life. I feel like this is one of these items that's not maybe necessary for a lot of people, but like I said, for people with anxiety, this would be a great tool. It's great for Harry Potter fans, and the fact that it was only £2 is kind of crazy. So I'm really liking this. I'm gonna give this a big thumbs up again. Moving on to the next item, we now have kind of another like fidget tool slash fidget toy, but it's also an instrument. It's a tiny little Kimbala. Now this was £2.78, so almost £3, and it came in an adorable little box like this. Again, this would have made an amazing stocking filler. I'm so gutted that it came so late. Anyways, let's crack it open together. Oh, something fell out. What is this? Oh, I guess it's like a little strap. Is it a necklace? I think it's a little strap so you can wear it around your neck. That's cute. Now this is the actual Kimbala itself. It is so small. How adorable. Let's take it out of the packaging. Is it made of real wood? It is. This is made of real wood. I got the kitty shaped one, of course. How cute. Okay, I literally have no idea how to play a Kimbala, so I'm just gonna do some random notes. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. Wait, that kind of sounded like happy birthday to you. Ooh, bit off tune. Oh, wait, can I figure this out? Oh my God, that sounds like happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's quite quiet because of how tiny it is, but I feel like this is great for like learning the Kimbala because it's so small, it barely costs a thing, so I'm liking this. I think this would make a great toy for kids, but I mean also adults, so if I had to rate this out of 10, I'd probably give it like an 8. All right, now moving on to the next item, we're now going to be trying out this home decor. Now when I bought this, I obviously had it in mind for Christmas, but I do feel like if that is your aesthetic, you could have it like around your house all year round. This particular item was £3.47, so still very affordable, and I'm a little bit concerned because it came like this. Do you see this? It's so thin. I literally had no clue what this was until I had a little peek. And then I realized it's flat packed, so then I thought, okay, it's fine. The question is, does it have all the pieces that I need? There doesn't seem to be anything else in there. It's literally just this. Are you supposed to like bend this into shape? I have no idea what I'm doing. Let me just look at the picture again. I think you're supposed to bend this. Okay, yeah, it's pretty easily bendable. So I'm gonna bend this up like that. I'm gonna bend that up like that. Then I'm gonna bend this part down. And that's it. Okay, wow, that was fairly easy. So now this is obviously supported, so it has a little base to stand on, and then you can put a little tea light candle in this hole. I think that's actually pretty adorable, and obviously when you've got a candle lit in there, you're gonna get that like backlight, which is gonna look really cool. I think for £3 and a little bit, it's actually pretty all right. It's obviously very, very flimsy and cheap, so it probably could have been even cheaper, but I mean, it's a nice little decor, especially for Christmas, so I'm gonna give this like a 6 out of 10. And now the very last item I'm gonna be trying out is this. So these are called the Magic Relighting Candles. It says when you blow them out, they relight instantly. It's actually my mum's birthday coming up soon, so I cannot wait to actually use these and trick her into thinking that these are just regular candles. This is how they have arrived. The packaging is a little bit like tattered, and you know, at least the candles are still in one. They've not broken, so that's the main thing. Again, I don't have a lighter to hand, so I'm gonna take these in the kitchen and we're gonna see if these actually are relighting candles or just regular candles. All right guys, so I have the candle already. Let's just light it up and see if I can blow it out. It's also a little bit strange because it doesn't actually have a wick. I have no idea if this is actually gonna light. Ah! It's dripping wax. Oh my gosh, that hurt. Ow. Okay, anyway, it's lit. Let's try and blow it out. It's gone out. It's actually gone out. Is that supposed to happen? Is it gonna like light up any second now? It looks fully out, you guys. I think this was just a scam. Why? Why did it go out so quick? I really thought this was gonna come back. Okay, let's try again. I mean, maybe I just blew it out too much. Who knows? Okay, there's the wick. All right. I mean, there's still an ember. There is still an ember. Is it gonna magically light up? Nope, it's gone out. This is such a scam. I really thought this was gonna work. I was like, maybe the wick is like special, maybe there's something about it, but honestly, it's just a regular candle and nothing happens. Once it's blown out, it's blown out. So this is a waste of time. Do not buy this. All right, guys, so that was everything for today's Temu video and me trying out various different random products that I found on there. Temu is just one of those places that it just has a little bit of everything and you kind of fall down a rabbit hole when you're on that website. If you would like to see any more Temu videos, definitely let me know in the comments what you want to see next. I have also posted recently a video where I actually compared Temu products to Shein products, just because I noticed that they were selling literally the same products with the same photos, and I just wondered if they were actually the same or not. So if you guys are curious about that as well, definitely click the link in the eye right there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. If this is my last video, then thank you all for being here all year round with me. I honestly appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart, and I cannot wait for what the next year brings for this channel, so I hope you guys stay tuned. Happy New Year, guys, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.